We are going to see boranes and diboranes. Boranes are binary compounds of boron and hydrogen, and which is similar to alkanes. Alkanes, that is, alkanes are compounds of boron and hydrogen, but boranes are compound of boron and hydrogen. So the parent member of boranes is BH3, and which is existing as a dimer, and it is called a diborane, which is having formula B2H6, and general formula of borane is BSHY. The important boranes are diborane, that is B2H6, B5H9, that is pentaborane, and decaborane B10H14. Boranes are colorless and diamagnetic in nature. They are highly reactive. They are highly reactive, and they shows a lot of reactions like electrophilic substitution, nucleophilic substitution by Lewis phases, protonation by strong bases, cluster building reaction with the boron hydride, and reaction of nidoborane with an alkyne to give a carborane cluster. So which showing these type of boranes are showing these type of reactions. Next, diborane. We are going to see detailed study of diborane. Diborane is the simplest and most studied borane. It is an electrodeficient compound, and structure, this is the structure of diborane B2H6. See, it has less valence electron than the number required to form all the electron pair bond. That is, and this is as we discussed, like this is an electron deficient compound, since boron having only one electron in p orbital and two electron in s orbital. Boron having no efficient electron in its valence shell to form all the bonds. So what will happen is two hydrogen form bridge bonds, and hence in B2H6 or boranes you have types of bonds, two types of bonds. So in this diborane we have four terminal two centered 2 electron BH bond, 4 terminal 2 centered 2 electron BH bond, 2 bridged 3 centered 2 electron BHB bonds. So 4 terminal BH bonds are formed by sharing of 2 electron each from boron and hydrogen. It's a normal sigma bond, but we have 2 bridged 3 centered 2 electron BHB bonds, and each of these bonds are formed by sharing of 2 electron between 2b and 1h atom, 2b and 1 hydrogen atom. So these 3 centered bond is formed by the sharing of 2 electrons between 2 boron and 1 hydrogen. So one boron, 1 electron from one of the boron, and one electron from the hydrogen. So these are the bonding, and this bonding is to 3 centered 2 electron bond is also known as banana bond. And boranes are classified as closoborane, nidoborane, arachnoborane, hypo and conjunctoborane. In closoboranes, and whose general formula is BnHn plus 2, which have a closed triangulate polyhedral structure. Closed triangulate polyhedral structure. Closed triangulate polyhedral structure. All the corners of the triangulate polyhedra are occupied with the boron in the case of borane. Okay, so whose general formula is BnHn plus 2, and example for this borane is B6H6 2 minus. This is just an example. And closoboranes having n plus 1 electron pairs, where n is the number of boron or number of the corners. Okay, so where n is the number of boron atom. Same, and nidoborane, in nidoboranes are formed when one of the corner of the polyhedra is removed, we will get nidoborane. And nidoboranes having nest-like structure, and whose general formula is BnHn plus 4. An example for this is B5 B5H9 and B2H6. B2H6 and B5H9 are nidoboranes. So nidoboranes having n plus 2 electrons, n plus 2 electron pairs. What is n plus 2 electron pairs? Where n is the number of the boron atom present. So how you calculate this n plus 2 or n plus 1 electron pairs? This can be calculated by Wade's rule. Wade's rule. We have one rule, that is Wade's rule. So as per the Wade's rule, we can calculate the number of electrons or number of skeletal electron present in boranes, carboranes and metallic clusters, etc. So we can calculate by Wade's rule. As per Wade's rule, each BH unit contribute 2 electron to the skeletal, and each CH unit, CH is present in carboranes. So each CH unit is contribute 3 electron, and remaining hydrogen, each hydrogen atom will offer 1 electron, and charge will give 1 electron to the skeletal. So we can calculate the total number of the electrons. So from the total number we can calculate the number of electron pairs by dividing by 2, and so we will get the number of electron pairs. So number of electron pairs are there. So we can identify how many pairs are there. If we have n plus 1 pairs, it is called closure. If you have n plus 2, it is called a nido. If the electron pairs present in that skeletal is n plus 3, it is called arachno. So in the case of arachno, we have a non-closed polyhedral structure, and general formula is BnHn plus 6, BnHn plus 6, and two arachnoboranes are prepared by removing two corners from the closed structure, that is closoborane. From the closoborane, if two corners are removed, you will get arachnoborane, and general formula is BnHn plus 6, and which have n plus 3 electron pairs. Example is B4H10. And next you have hypoboranes. Hypoboranes means net-like structure, and general formula is BnHn plus 8, which have 4, that is n plus 4. N plus is here in closo you have n plus 1, here have n plus 2, arachno n plus 3, and hypo having n plus 4 electron pairs. And conjunctoborane, this is a newly formed is a new type of or new classification of borane, and general formula is BnHm. These boranes are formed by linking of two or more any types of boranes. If any two types of boranes joined, you will get conjunctoborane, whose formula is BnHm, and most common example is B5H9 twice, B4H10 twice. So bonding type, as we discussed earlier, the bonding types in boranes, we have 2-centered 2 electron bonds and 3-centered 2 electron BHB bonds, and plus in BHB bond we discussed we have 3-centered 2 electron BHB bond. Similar to that, we have 3-centered 2 electron 2 BBB bond. It may be a open type or a closed type, and plus we have BB 2-centered 2 electron BB bond and 2-centered 2 electron BH bond. These are the 4 types of bonds present in boranes. And you have one number, that is Stokes number or Stokes code, which indicating, where S indicating number of BHB bonds, and T indicating number of BBB bonds, and Y indicating the number of BB bonds, and X is the number of BH2 unit. That is the Stokes number. So from the Stokes number, we can get the idea about the number of BHB bond, number of BBB bond, number of BB bond, and number of BH2 unit. See, in diboranes, we have 2 BHB, 2 banana bonds, so S is 2, and there is no BBB or BB bonds, so T and Y are 0, and X number of BH2 is 2, and hence for diborane, and the Sticks code is 2002. From this it is clear that these molecules have 2 BHB bonds and 2 BH2 units, and there is no BBB bond or BB bonds. So another example is B4H10 Sticks code is 4012, which indicating which have 4 BHB bond. There is no BBB bonds, but there is one BB bond and 2 BH2 groups. So same way we have carboranes. So carboranes are mixed hydrides of boron and carbon, in which carbon and boron atom occupies at the vertices of the triangulate polyhedron, and carbonates in the members are carbon, boron and hydrogen. General formula is C2BnHn plus 2, where n is an integer. Carbonates with the n ranging from 3 to 10 have been characterized. Types of carbonates are chlorzocarbonates, whose structure is C2BnHn plus 2, and which have a closed triangulate polyhedra like chlorzoboranes and having n plus 1 electron pairs, and most common example is 1,6C2B8H10. C2, then this is a structure of chlorocarbonate. This is a triangulate polyhedra. And nidocarbonates, one of the corner of the triangulate polyhedra is removed, and general formula is C2BnHn plus 4, and the number of electron present in this is n plus 2 electron pairs. How many electron pairs are present in nido? That is n plus 2. So example is C2B4H8. One of the example is C2B4H8. So by calculating C2B4H8, you will definitely get, that is C2. How many CH unit are there? There are 2 CH unit. So 2 into 3, that means 6. So 6 plus 4 BH unit are there. So 4 into 2, that is 8 plus 6, that is 14, plus 2, that is 16. 16 divided by 2 will give you 8 electron pairs. So 6 plus 2, that is n plus 2 electron pairs are there. So nidocarborate. And same arachno, general formula is C2BnHn plus 2. Number of electron present are n plus 4. So example is 13C2B7H13 arachnoboron. So this is the Wade's rule. So from the Wade's rule, we can calculate the skeletal electron. Each BH unit donate 2 electron, each CH unit donate 3 electron. Negative charge on boron will give 1 electron, and additional hydrogen will give 1 electron. So if chlorzo having n plus 1 electron pairs, nido having n plus 2 electron pairs, arachno having n plus 3, and hypo will having n plus 4, that is Wade's rule. So boranes are used as a rocket fuel in supersonic aeroplane. So boranes are used. So it is used as a catalyst in polymerization reaction, and it is a well-known reducing agent. Can be used as vulcanizing agent for natural and synthetic rubber, and it is used in borane coating.